Yo, what's good, family? Welcome to the vlog. So much happened this week. I'm just gonna have to catch you guys up to speed. So sit back, watch these clips, and I'll see you guys on the other side. Damn, where'd I put that thing now? Shit. Oh, there it is. Alright, I ain't gonna lie, it was quite hard waking up this morning, but I did it, ready for this run, but I just need a little boost, so I'm going to drink this pretty nasty. You know, I'm not gonna over exaggerate, it's really not that bad, but could have tasted a lot better. I've tasted some pretty good blue raspberry in my day, but come on, man. This is the completion of my first long run. Oh man, that was brutal. I'm not gonna lie, man, but I'm happy. I'm starting to feel all those endorphins starting to kick in. Glad that I got that sweat early in the morning, sweat in my eye. But yeah, man, this is worth it, you know? Just keep striving, pushing, just to get to those goals, man. Love it. So the construction crew is here now, a lot earlier than I expected. They are currently about to demo the master bathroom, so I'm just gonna let them handle that while I just answer some emails. And it might be a little noisy today, so you know, I'm just excited that they're finally starting, and look at me sweating already. That run was awesome. Finally broke ground, and it's just crazy just seeing this whole wall that's just gone. And I don't like, they already hooked up the shower head and the second I don't know what they call this, but I'm just gonna call it a second shower head, you know, like the removable one. And they already hooked everything up, man. Look at that. My shower was here, man, and then look, my tub was there. So, yo, look at what was once my tub, man. That's crazy. So much more natural light is coming in here as well. So, yeah, I'm excited, man. I just can't wait. They said it will be done in a week or less than 5 days. So we'll see, man. You know, day by day after they leave, I'm just gonna come sneak in here and record the process. Don't want to disturb them while they're working. All right, peeps, so this is day 3 or 4, not sure, but they've taken the cabinet doors down, primed them, getting ready for paint. They put the tapes up, paper, and this is the paint we're going with. Let's see if the name is on it. Oh, white. And what's this one? Oh, white. I thought we got gray. Interesting. But yeah, that is the, oh, that's the actual gloss. That's like the first coat, I guess. All right, let's take a sneak peek of what they did to the bathroom. they took the vanities down and they applied the cement, and guess they built the actual wall for the shower. Okay, still gotta put the tiles down, take the mirror down. Slow, steady progress. Peeps, there she is, my wife's piano. Finally arrived after like a month and a half. So after spending all morning in IKEA, one of my best pickups, I would say, is these frames for $12.99 a piece. And I finally am able to frame my Biggie poster and my Brooklyn poster and my personal portrait, you know what I'm saying? So I'm super excited with those. IKEA was super packed today, man, but luckily we got in, got out. Now I'm just gonna put these two in those frames and then find a wall to hang them up. All right, welcome back. So I've been doing some internet snooping, and apparently this gym in my neighborhood is open for business. So what I'm gonna do is drive by, take a sneak peek, maybe go inside, check it out, see what they're doing to keep their members safe. And if everything's legit, I may sign up. You know, I've been longing for a gym. I haven't entered a gym since April, since everything got shut down in Boston. So hopefully everything is legit here and I can get some workouts and some lifting in, because I need to be under the bar, man. My body's just aching for it. Anyway, let's go. All right, we're in the parking lot, and unfortunately they are still closed, man. So all that snooping I did didn't really matter. I should have known, because I did call and couldn't get through to anyone, but hey, right? Anyway, home workouts it is, right? Okay, so one of the contractors that are working in our house, his name is Ray, and he's pretty cool so far. Like, he's done such an awesome job with our kitchen cabinets. I'm just blown away. He still got some work to do, but I'm gonna definitely, you know what I mean, lean on him for future projects in this crib. But let's take a look at what he's done so far. I'm gonna stand on this side of the crib because the lighting other way, can't really see what's going on. You still can't really see the actual color of this, but it's like a gray with a greenish tint to it. This is the island, and we also got the cabinets painted white. So take a look here. He's gonna come back, finish the countertops. He's gonna replace the countertops, and yeah, the white just makes this kitchen so much bigger. He does such a good job, and this is the actual doors that go on the island, so maybe you can see the greenish gray. You know, super excited, man. He's done a really good job. This is actually going to be the countertop. So let's take a look at that. That's the countertop that he's gonna come back and fabricate it from scratch. So he's gonna take the big slab and just cut it up and make it fit, custom fit. We're also going to reach out to his sister, because apparently his sister is a a cleaner as well, so she got to go in and do what the previous owner said they were going to do. But that's a story for a different day. Yeah, he's done such a good job, man. Him, his wife, his son, they work pretty good. The bathroom hasn't, although we expected things to move a lot faster, pandemic and everything, but it's probably going to be delayed an extra week, you know what I'm saying? But bathroom is still stripped. I'm going to give you guys a look at that in the next video, but next week they should be getting down to the meat and potatoes of everything. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to end this video here. Don't forget to comment, subscribe. Holla back. Peace.